In this video, I will show how to display mysql version in your WordPress admin dashboard. As we can see here, in at a glance section, we can see here server running PHP version and mysql version. And guys, if you want to display this type of information, so you need to install and activate one plugin. This one, display PHP version. So install and activate this plugin. After that, you will find PHP version and also you will find the mysql version which is running in your dashboard, which is running in your WordPress website. So this is the basic and easy way to find out information about mysql and to display mysql version and PHP version on WordPress admin. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.